Okay, hi. I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are preparing, sometimes they find it intimidating, but we'll try to enhance the curry, you know? There you go. Kanin. Yun, no? Tayo'y mga Pinoy, mahilig sa kanin. Ganon. Wow na wow. First, what I want to do is get a ginger, no? And then, balatan ko lang siya na ganito by scratching it. Okay? And then, tanggalan itong skin. Slice our ginger. Yan. Okay? Yun. Yan lang. Next, onions. Yan. Skin off. Then, slice your onions. That's it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just preparing all our ingredients right in front of me. And para hindi tayo malilito when you start cooking our curry. Yan. Tapos ito rin. Kuha tayo ng carrots. Yes. Ito. Yan. Yan lang, oh, para chunky siya. I'll cut this into 4. Yun. So, ganyan gagawin nyo sa kitchen niyo. Para hindi kayo malilito, wala kayo maiiwanan na, na ingredient. Yan. That's it. Tapos, lagyan ng garlic. Yan. Then, yung garlic natin, yan. Pag pinound mo siya na ganun, dali na matanggal, yun. Okay. And then, the garlic. And then, we'll mince our garlic. Cut into small pieces. Yan. Good, nice. When you cook curry, I was asking my friend na Indian, a lot of people daw are very intimidated when it comes to Indian food cooking. Paano kasi? Sa niya, imagine when you prepare Indian food, usually minimum yan 14 spices kagad. So that's why it's important na katulad natin, tayong mga husband tsaka mga housewives pag nagluluto, we will not complicate it, no? Pero makuha pa rin natin yung sarap na gusto natin. Like for example, curry. If you don't have all the spices na kailangan, kuha ka na, curry seasoning, curry powder. So, all the ingredients nandiyan na. And then yung mga extra natin ng mga spices is just to enhance the flavor of the usual curry. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos dalawang klaseng sili, 6, 7. Plus yung pepper, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 spices kagad yun. Then that's just for enhancing the flavor of the curry. So, tapos yung ganito, green pepper, it's just to add our flavor. Yan. When you start cooking this, ang sarap nito. And syempre, Indian cuisine is a bit spicy. Kaya nga pagpunta ka sa Indian restaurant, tinatanong nila, how do you want your food? Kunyari, your chicken curry or your lamb or your beef curry. Of course, I want it a little spicy. Then lalagyan lang ng sili. Yan ang gagawin din natin. Although ours is not, ours is just fish today. Medyo spicy na yan. Okay? So, ito na. We'll start cooking everything. Handa natin yung black pepper natin. Mamaya ko nilalagay yung bell pepper. Sabay na ng fish. Good. So we will saute everything. We'll saute it in olive oil. Okay. There. Good. That's good. Unahin natin yung luya, and then we'll put in our onions. Yes. And then we'll put in our pepper. Yun, dami Tapos, you can put bay leaves also. Kung may bay leaves ka, lagyan nyo ng bay leaves kasi it adds to the depth of flavor, yung aromatic smell niya. Tsaka yung delicate flavor ng fish na enhance niya. Yan. Daming klaseng spices, nasama-sama mo lang. We'll just saute this. Ayan. Okay. So, lalagyan natin yung garlic and tomatoes. Yeah. Sama sila dyan. That's it. Good. Nice, beautiful. Let it cook. And then, curry powder. Yun. Yung curry powder, nabibili ito sa mga grocery. Ito yung, talaga ito yung pinaka-base natin. So, dahil malaki ito, we'll put in mga 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry. Yan. So, 2.5. That's it. That's all. And then, ito iba-ibang mga spices na nakita ko dun sa sa kitchen. Yan. Konting masala. Yan. Konti lang. Yan. Tapos meron tayong cardamom. Pang-enhance talaga ng flavor ng ating curry. That's it. Cardamom, a little coriander. Yan. That's it. Not too much. Ganyan lang. Tapos may cumin. Ito it's a spice that they use for curry. No? Ano ba talaga yan? Then mustard. Yan. Good. And marjoram. Yeah. Kung may fennel ka, fennel seeds. Halo tayo. Yun, no? Sarap ng smell. Yan yung color niya, oh. That's the color of curry. May turmeric yan. No? Kaya yung ginger will complement the turmeric. No? And then yung tomatoes will give it a little reddish flavor, orange flavor. Yan, no? Orange color. Yeah. We'll cook it some more. Mas lalagyan natin yung chili natin. Mamaya ko nilalagay yung red chili, pero yung green muna. And it'll give us more flavor. Yeah, sarap yan. Yan. So let it cook. Ayan, mag-develop siya ng flavor niya. Yun. Mamua. And then if you have lime, yan, lime to. Bigyan ng zest of lime. Yan. Yan, yung zest of lime. Para to give it a fresh flavor. Yeah, sarap. I can smell it. It's so good. Nice. Good. Okay. And then once you have that, lagyan natin yung carrots natin. Yun. That's it. Tapos alagay ko na yung coconut milk natin. So pag gumawa tayo ng coconut, yung unang piga natin, yun yung cream. And then yung pangalawang piga, lalagyan natin ng konting water. Tapos ipipiga na yung second piga, ito na yun. Pangalawang muna ito, panggawa natin ng sauce natin. Yan, okay, not too much. Gusto ko mas marami yung cream talaga. Yan, ito ay para lang sumarap yung sauce natin. Then lalagyan ko may isa ng salt. Okay, kita na ng color, di ba? Nice. Titigman natin siya. Put some salt. Titigman natin. Kasi yung development ng curry sauce natin. Yan. Okay, good. What I'll do, I'll put it here. So while we are working on our sauce, gawin ko, magpa-fry tayo na natin. Fry ko lang ng konti yung fish natin. I just want to brown our fish. And then, sa gitna, putulin siya doon. Yes. And then depends if you want your fish chunky or ganyan kalalaki, pwede, depende sa gusto mo. Yan. What I'm using today is a dorado. So you can use lapu-lapu if you want. Kung gusto niyo, pwede. And then, season natin siya with salt. Salt and pepper. Good. And then pepper. We want our oil to be hot but not very super hot. Hot lang. Okay. Season natin siya with pepper. Yeah. The other side. Get your salt. And then, yes. And then salt and pepper. Yes. Nice. There you go. Once mag-brown siya on both sides, okay na. Lalagyan na siya doon. And then, ilalagay ko na yung kaanggata natin dito. We'll start cooking this. Sakto to. Yan. Nice. Ganda, creamy. Oh. Sakto to. Tapos yung isda natin. Yan. That's it. Okay. So, while we're waiting, we start cutting our bell pepper. Yan. Tanggalin lang natin yan, no? Yung buto sa loob yun, no? Kakamay nyo lang yan. Nice. Every once in a while, check yung isda nyo, baka sunog na yan, ha? All you need to do is just brown both sides. Diba? It's so easy to cook. Sa una, intimidating talaga mag-curry, eh. Pero, if you know the simple things to make it good, it doesn't seem to be complicated pala. So now, ikot na natin yan natin. Isda natin. Nice. Ganun lang, oh. Ganun lang. Yeah. That's it. We're doing that while we are cooking our curry sauce. Yan, oh, lapot, oh. Sarap, oh. So, habang kumukulo siya ng ganito, sumasarap yung flavor yan. And then always try. Check on your food na niluto mo kung masarap na ba. Oh, sarap. Sarap ng coconut. Nice. Gusto ko itong dorado kasi very delicate yung flavor niya. Saka nagpe-flakes siya. Nice. Okay. Lalagay ko na yan, chili natin. Yun. So, lipat natin yung fish natin. Okay, yung fish dito. Good. Kunin ko na siyang diretso dito sa, sa pan. Nice. Yun. That's it. Things off. Okay. Put there. Add color, then add flavor sa food natin. Yun. And then add a little more coconut cream. Yan, pang ibabaw lang. Just to cover it. Once mag-cover na siya, I'm good with that. Oh, sarap. And then let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Let's cover it. Final check. Good. Okay. Kuha tayo ng fish natin. Good. Yan, and then lagyan natin ng konting zest of lemon. Just to bring up to enhance the taste, to make it fresh. Yan lang, that's it. You can add a slice lang dito. Some people want it a little tangy, no? So you can serve it here on the side. Ganun. Put it on the side. Yan, that's it. And here is our fish curry. Okay, let's try it. Tapos, to enhance pa natin yung flavor nito, lagyan ng konting lemon juice or lime juice. Okay. And then, oh, mas masarap. Yung lime juice or lemon, it brightens up the flavor of the dish, no? Especially pag fish yung ginamit natin. Tignan natin yung isda natin. Kanin. Yun, oh. Ibang dating nito pag may kanin. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, mahilig sa kanin. Yun na. With fish. Tapos ito. Ganon. Ay, ang sarap. Wow na wow. Then yung kick na ng chili niya, sakto lang, hindi yung overpowering. Andun lang yung heat niya. This is a simple way of enhancing yung nabibili natin na curry seasoning sa grocery, no, by just adding some spices na most likely meron na kayo sa bahay nyo. No, lagyan nyo ng pepper, lagyan ng bay leaves, lagyan ng mustard powder. Kung may masala ka, and then if you have a coriander, yung mga ganon, sama-sama mo lang dyan. Then zest of lemon. Tapos damihan mo lang yung luya. Kung may turmeric ka, add more turmeric. Just to bring up and enhance the flavor of your curry. So with this kind of curry, it's your choice. You can put fish, or you can put lamb, or you can put beef. So whatever you want, no? So ganun lang kasimple yung pagluto natin ng curry. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. Do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you next time, right here in Goma at Home. Bye.